A very good morning to all of you. Today we discuss the new questions which are related to our topic squares and square root of chapter 3 related to our class 8th. Okay, some students are saying that there is a problem in for finding the square root of decimal number. So we first solve the question which are related to the square root of decimal number. Question number 1 is we have to find out the square root of 3 up to 2 decimal place. This is an interesting question which is related to we have to find out the square root of 3 up to 2 decimal place. First we have to write 3. After that we have to write decimal. After that there is a 2 decimal place. We have to find out the square root up to 2 decimal place. Now we have to take the 3 pairs. 1, 2 and 3. Now we can find the square root of 3 with the help of long division method. Here is the 3. I have to write a number here, same number here. When we multiply these numbers, we get a number here. If I write 1, 1, we get 1. Okay, 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Now add the new number which you add, 2. Hit the decimal. Now you have to put the carry forward your next pair, 200. How many times it can be divisible? It can be divisible up to 7 times. 7 7 is 49. Okay, and this is 18. Now subtract these numbers. When subtract these numbers, 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 9 minus 8 we get 1, and here it is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now you have to put the next pair. We write a number 7 here and 7 here. Now you have to add 7 from this number. 7 plus 7, 14, 1 carry. How many times it can be divisible? It can be divisible 3 times. Okay. Now you have to multiply 343 by 3. If we multiply 343 by 3, we get 1029. Now subtract these numbers. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Here is the 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 0. Put the next pair. Now the question is 7100. Okay. Now add the new number which I write here and here. Now you have to add 3. 3 plus 3, 6, 4, 3. Now the question is the digit is 346. Now you have to write a new number here. Suppose I write 2. Okay, when I multiply 3462 by 2, we get 6924 as our value. Now subtract these numbers. 10 minus 4 equals to 6. 9 minus 2, 7, and 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. We get remainder as a 176. Now the number is 1.732. Okay, we get the square root as 1.732, but we have to find the square root of this particular number up to 2 decimal place. But we find the square root of this number 3 places. Now we have to check this number. This number is 2. If the number is equal to 5 and greater to 5, then we have to add a particular number, one number to the left side. But here the number is 2. So we can't add a number here. Now the number is 1.73 up to 2 decimal place. This is our solution. Okay, now we move to our next question, which is also very interesting. We have to simplify find the square root of 2116 and 1764, and then simplify square root of 0.2116 plus square root of 0.1764 upon square root of 0.2116 minus square root of 0.1764. Now first we have to find the square root of 2116. First we have to make the pair. Now we have to make the pair from right side. How many times it can be divisible? Borrow the next pair. 8. Yes. How many times it can be divisible? It can be divisible up to 6 times. We get 516. We get the remainder as a 0. Now we have to find the square root of 1764. First we have to make the pair of this number. 4 4s are 16, 1 6 4. First I write a number 4 here and write again that particular number here. Now we have to add this particular number to this number. 4 of 4 8. 2 times 164, we get a remainder as 0. So we can say that square root of 2116 is 46 and square root of 1764 is 42. Now you have to put this value in this equation, in this procedure. Okay, question is 0.2116. Now first we have to remove the decimal. Now you have to write plus square root of 0.1764 upon, remove the decimal, upon square root of 0.2116, remove the decimal, minus 0.1764 upon. Any problem? Okay. What is the square root of 2116? Here is the given 46 upon. At the denominator, how many zeros are written? 1, 2, 3, 4. From the pair of 4, from the 4 digits, we have to put outside from the square root. We take 2 zeros. The number is 100 plus. What is the square root of 1764? It is 42 upon, what is the square of 10,000? Obviously 100 upon 46 upon 100 minus 42 upon 100. Okay. When we simplify this, where is the denominator is 100. When we divide this number, we get 0.46 plus 0.42 upon 0.46 minus 0.42. Okay. After that, I solve here. First we add these numbers. 0.6 plus 2, 8, 4 plus 4, 8 upon, when I subtract 0.46 by 0.42, we get 6 minus 2 equals to 4, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0.0. Now remove decimal by decimal. Now 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8 and 4 2 is 8. We get 22 upon 1. And what is the value of 22 upon 1? The value is 22. Okay. I hope you understand the concept. This chapter is over. Square and square root. Thank you.